everyone. I am about to head out on my Korea trip, and so today I'm going to be bottling up some makgeolli that I brewed over the last couple weeks, and I'm going to show you the process. So got a couple of ingredients out here so far. I just went to the store and I bought these water bottles, just a simple $1.50 water, and I'm just going to peel the labels off, and they're going to be my nice clear makgeolli jugs. Or actually, they won't be clear because I have some labels on them as well. But I'm gonna pull these labels off. I'm gonna pour the water somewhere else so I can use the fancy water, and then I'm going to strain this, and I'm gonna go get the strainers from downstairs. I'll show you those later, but we're gonna strain it and then put it into the plastic jugs. So keep watching and we'll see how it goes. Okay, got the filters from downstairs. And Acer Pentair Industrial 100 micron filter. And so I usually have 50 micron filters, but I have 100 right now, so I'll try these out. Alright, we almost have everything. We have our 100 micron filter, our containers that we're going to put the makgeolli in, and our 2 jars of fermented makgeolli.
It was bubbling a little bit earlier today. If I can hold still, you probably could see it.
Okay. Last thing I need to get is a mixing bowl and a helper so I can pour this into the mixing bowl. Alright, we got 6 bottles, 2 filters, and 2 different varieties of makgeolli. Right, let's start with this first makgeolli that has 2 additions of rice in it. Have my trusty assistant pour it. Carefully. Got a little chunks in there. Smells good.
It does smell good.
Moving slower now through the filter. Hopefully this is about 1 liter. Just keep squeezing. Got the inside. This is called Jigme. Okay, I think that's good enough for this bag. You can squeeze out a little bit more if you wanted to. Alright, number 2. This one has this airlock on the top, but I don't think this jar seals well enough to actually need it. We're going to use this other filter. Oh, double filter. I didn't clean this thing. This extra filter stage might doom us all. Almost 1 filled up. Nice second filter. We'll reuse this second filter for the second brewer as well. All right. So for batch one, we got like 1.5 quarts. So it looks kind of weird.
Seems kind of different color. That's on the bottle. First one.
Seems like a little bit less liquid. Sorry, Tella, for making me to edit all this video.
Do you have a third filter that you can use for the second filter? It's like a color.
It's a nice white color. It's gonna be like almost the same amount of liquid.
Yeah. This one has like a little bit less.
For so far, hopefully should be less.
Number one.
Yeah. Okay, now that we bottled our makgeolli, normally you just let it sit and settle down, and they would form distinct layers of sediment, and then when you drink it, you'll shake it back up. But now we're just gonna pour a little sip for us to try. Compare colors. About that much. So this was given rice 2 separate times. This was given rice just once and was fermented just about 2 days shorter. And definitely just like a brighter whitish color. But they're both pretty white. It's pretty strong. It's milky, but very strong. It was unexpected, but it's pretty good. Maybe you would dilute it or something, but there's some richness to it. Okay. And then single edition of rice. Much sweeter. I like this one a lot better, actually. It's not as syrupy. But yeah, in general, they're both pretty good. I think this is about my 8th or 10th batch of makgeolli that I've ever made. But it turned out good. It turned out great. So thanks everybody for watching. This is LightningSpore.
Bye.